check the mic and make sure it sound right, boys.
So, ito na nga mga bossing. Here we go. Excited na ako i-share sa inyo ang aking bagong trip. So, okay. Masabi natin. So, ang una, pinaka ito. Look at that mga bossing. So, I got it only $3.99 for only $3.99. So, maayos pa siya. Medyo ano lang yung mga paint niya, pero I don't see any broken parts. So, I think it's best I can display it as a lion. Right? Because I already have the full lion, or full Voltron. There you go. Nice. Yeah, I think this one really played by a kid. Okay, there you go. What else? Okay, siguro buusan natin lahat. Makikita nyo. Todo. So, so you got some other videos here. Okay, so yeah, if you just notice, I have this cable. So this is for Sega, connecting your, what do you call that, like old TV to the system, right? Okay, yeah, so I'm also collecting mga game console, saka yung mga accessories na kasama nito. Usually kahit anong accessories na lumabas, nakasama nito. Yan. Possibly, kung meron ako, the best. And some old movies. Okay, here you go. Power Ranger movie. Mighty Morphin. It's a BSS. Yeah, I got it for $2.99. And some old TMNT movies here. So, still clean. It's nice. So this one is an anime movie. Released in Canada because of the French version. Yeah, so this was released. I don't see any year here. Okay, so another one. Another TMNT. So talagang TMNT na lang nakalagay dito. Okay, so usually, of course, Canadian release. Oops, sira na yung box. Pero, maganda pa rin yung ano niya. I believe this is back-to-back DVD. Yes, kaya parang silang shiny. It's already maybe, yeah, dual layer format. So, maganda yan. So, another one is Hellboy. Mukhang galing pa sa rental. Maybe this already beaten hard. Oh, nice. Meron pa siya itong sleeve ito. Padikit nga lang sa loob ng papel yung ano. Opa, so good with numbers. It's good. And it's clean. Long scratch. Okay, and then some these figures here. Actually, yung reason lang na binili ko na dahil dito sa ano, Kevin Smith, Silent Bob. Jeez, Silent Bob. Vinyl figures from Gravity Design. Okay, this 2003. Yeah, it's not bad. Yeah, that's the only reason I bought this bag, but the rest is garbage, I can say. But if you see something cool, let me know. Ayan. Si Jimmy. Parang ano eh. Rubber. Okay na rin. Meron. Some action figures here. Some full skate deck. Excuse. Oh, Grizzlies. Morant. Oh, this is cool. I think this Vancouver Grizzlies. Oh, maybe not. There's no pop there before. Sorry, I don't... Hindi ko kilala yung player eh. Okay, so there you go mga bossing. Once in a while, I'll show some trip haul. So, if you just new here at hindi pa kayo nagsasubscribe, please subscribe now. If you guys like this kind of video, please hit the like button, and of course, so yeah, if you like this video, please don't forget to click that like buttons. If you have any comments or suggestions to improve this video, please let me know. Just comment down below. And yeah, so thank you mga bossing. Thanks for watching. See you in the next episode. Peace out.